Hello everyone, welcome to our final episode of our education on menstruation. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the next menstrual period, ovulation day, fertile period, safe period, and how cycle length is determined. Let's consider this example for our study. Mama has a 28-day cycle. Her last menstrual period, shortened as LMP, was on 12 December 2024. Now let's consider the next menstrual cycle. To calculate the next period date, we use the last menstrual period plus the cycle length. The LMP is simply the first day she saw her period last month. Simply, that is the first day she saw blood. So the next menstrual period is the day your period is expected to start again based on your usual cycle length. Now for Amma, her LMP was 12 December 2024. So to find her next menstrual period, NMP, we will add 12 to 28, which equals 40. But December has 31 days, so subtract 31 from the 40, and you will get 9. Therefore, the 31 you subtracted means you've exhausted the whole month of December. Hence, the answer 9 refers to the 9th day of the month after December, which is January. Therefore, her next menstrual period date is 9th January 2025. Note, the 12 used for the calculation is for the 12th December 2024. Her LMP, and the 28 is for her regular cycle, that is her normal 28 days menstrual cycle. Hope you've gotten the understanding on the NMP. If not yet, take it slow and pause the video to get a comprehensive understanding. Now let's consider when she is likely to ovulate. Remember that ovulation occurs 14 days before the next period, and since her next period is 9th January 2025, we subtract 14 days from it. We do this by backdating the calendar. Hence 9th January minus 14 days gives us 26th December 2024. Therefore, Amma will ovulate on 26th December 2024. But remember, even with a regular cycle, ovulation can sometimes shift by a day or two, forward or backwards, so always be extra careful. Now let's consider the fertile window. The fertile window is the time when she is most likely to get pregnant. It includes 3 days before ovulation, the ovulation day itself, and 3 days after ovulation. However, sperms can survive inside the female body for up to 5 days, waiting for an egg to be released. But the egg only survives 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. Since Amma's ovulation day is 26 December 2024, so to be safe, we can say the fertile period includes 5 days before ovulation, the ovulation day, and 3 days after ovulation. So you subtract 5 from 26 and add 3 to 26. This will give Amma's fertile period as 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th, all of December 2024. Moving on to the next, safe period. These are the days when pregnancy is least likely, which is before the fertile window. That is 8 days to the fertile period and 8 days after the fertile period. So we have Amma's safe period as 12th to 20th December 2024, which is before the fertile period, and 30th December 2024 to 8th January 2025, which is after the fertile period. Now, Let's see how to calculate the length of your menstrual cycle. Cycle length is counted from the first day you see blood to the day before your next period. But remember, all these formulas we've talked about works for only regular cycles. So whether you have a 26-day cycle, a 30-day cycle, a 32-day cycle, as long as it's regular, you can use these formulas. For irregular cycles, the period does not come after a fixed number of days. For example, it could be 26 days in one month, 33 days the next, and 29 days another month. This means ovulation shifts each month. The fertile window becomes unpredictable. The next period date is not constant, and the safe period cannot be trusted. For irregular cycles, track at least 6 cycles. Write down each cycle length and calculate the shortest and longest cycle. The shortest cycles tell you the earliest day ovulation could happen, and the longest cycles tell you the latest day ovulation could happen. This helps you determine the range for your fertile window, even if your cycles are irregular. Use period tracker apps to help spot patterns over time. Track basal body temperature, which slightly rises after ovulation, helping to confirm it. If possible, acquire and use ovulation test kits to detect the LH hormone surge, which happens before ovulation. I am Kezia Adama Akwa. I have been your facilitator from the episode 1 of Menstrual Education Tips. I am a physician assistant student at K University, and I am also the project and outreach coordinator for Dinner Health Initiative. In case you would need us to visit your school and educate the learners, kindly scan this QR code to join our WhatsApp community and talk to the admins of the page. Dinner Health Initiative, empowering teens and young adults on SRH through interactive learning.